Hi, my people. Báwo ni iṣẹ́ wa pa wagwan bonjour kedu una dey yaya cookie. So if you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Bami, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, we talk about japa. I share food recipes, I vlog, I talk about my life as an international student in the UK. Okay, so if these are topics you're interested in, please click on the subscribe button, share, click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, you never can tell, you can always learn one or two things from this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, you already know how we do. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing two things. The first thing is a set of new pots, and another one is a set of frying pans, grill pans. So I want you guys to see everything. I want to unbox everything with you guys. I'll also be talking about how to care and maintain these pots, okay, because these pots can be very expensive and you don't want to use them anyhow. You want to maintain it well. The first one is Durane Die stockpot. It's a 5-piece pot. I don't know if you guys can see this thing properly. I hope the camera is not upside down. So it's Durane. It's a product from Durane, and it's a 5 set. I actually bought this pot because of the size. I've been looking for a big size. Like a 10-liter pot, that can help my cooking, so that I can cook in large quantities and then store, so you don't have to cook all the time. So I was looking for a pot that is big, that can contain at least 9 liters or 10 liters food. So this one does it for me. So I came across this pot. It's a 5-piece pot. It's color black. I got it from Amazon, and I hope it lives up to the hype, because I saw some reviews on it. So many people did videos on it on YouTube, and I hope it lives up to the hype, actually, because I've not opened it. We're just going to open it together, right? So apparently it has a 9.3 liter in it, which is about 32 cm. That's the biggest one. I haven't opened it. We're just gonna open it together now. So guys, this is it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Can you see the packaging? So it's 5 pieces in one, and it has 32 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 20 centimeter. So the smallest one is 20 centimeter. So now let's open it, guys. Can you see? And let's see if it lives up to the hype. See the covers. So this is the smallest one. The one that follows. These are the covers. Wow, it's quite heavy actually. Yeah. So guys, can you see? This is the smallest one, and then the one that follows, and the one after, and the one after, and of course their mommy, the biggest one. So this is it, guys. Wow, it's quite big. Yeah, so it looks nice, it looks elegant, it's not bad. Can you see? I like the fact that it's non-stick coating as well. Can you see? It's really looking nice. It's non-stick coating. It's going to be easy to clean. Yeah, it's going to be easy to clean. It's non-stick coating, and the underneath it looks induction friendly. Yeah, it's induction friendly. let's see this other one. Let's just unbox everything at once and then talk about it.
All my life I've tried to find a sign to lead me. Am I the only one? A shining light that never dies, can you believe me? We are the holy ones. Oh, I don't want to wait no more. Feel the burden in my soul, leaving me the more I go. Oh, darkness wants to bury me. Fuck it, you ain't scaring me. Golden voices telling me, holy ones, holy ones. We got the power of 1,000 suns. We are the holy ones, holy ones. We make the rhythm of 1,000,000,000 drums. We are the holy ones, holy ones. 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 Have you ever felt a fire trying to chase you? You ain't the only one. It's hard to keep away the pain when it embraces you. You are a holy one. Oh, I'm ready for what's meant to be. No matter what's facing me, this is our place to be. Oh, we the ones with soul and heart. Even when our days are gone, let's show them who we are. Holy ones, we got the power of 1,000 suns. We are the holy.
Okay, so guys, that's it. I'm done screwing the covers, and you know, it's just really nice. I just love the fact that it's, now this is my own review, okay? It doesn't mean it's the best. It's just what I think of these pots. Like I said earlier, it's Durane Die cast. It's 5-in-1, and the biggest size is what's the biggest size again? 32 centimeters, which is about 9.3 liters. Let me show you guys the biggest one. So you can cook. See, you can cook 10 people's food at once with the biggest size. So I actually bought it because of the size, you know, so I can cook for the week just at once, and I won't have to be cooking over and over again. So this is my review about this pot now to the review, what I think. You know, it doesn't make it the best, it doesn't make it I don't know, it's just what I think about this pot. So I like the fact that it's non-stick coating. It's going to be very easy to wash, and then the underneath is induction friendly. As you can see, it's induction friendly and also oven friendly. You know, you can always put it into the oven and you'll be fine. Then it's what else, like I said, it's the size made me buy it, and the fact that it's non-stick, and the fact that it's oven friendly. The bottom is induction friendly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The glass lid, the glass lid is toughened. You can see it's toughened, and the knob is also very and also the knob, you can see the knob is cool. Like, you can hold it while it's hot. The knob will be cold even when the pot is very hot, and the fact that the lid is very tough. So that's pretty much it, guys, about the pot. And again, how to maintain it. Before I forget to mention, how do you maintain your pots so that they will keep serving you for a long time and they don't get damaged on time? Please do not use iron sponge for your non-stick pots. Please don't use iron sponge, okay, no matter what. And besides, it's not even really going to be sticky. I don't think food stick to it like that, so you might not really have the need to use iron sponge. So the last, no matter how stained or how tough the stain is, please, this sponge, you know, these colored ones, these very soft ones, please, are the ones to use. This part, okay, even this part, it's only when you need to really scratch something, but otherwise you don't really need tough sponge for it, okay? So that's it about the maintenance. And now let's move to, okay, let me stack it and then show you guys so you see how big it is. I don't think this camera is really doing justice to it. So let me stack it up and then show you guys so you can see the size. In case you're looking to buy, okay, I would recommend, it's not an advert, but I recommend this pot, especially because of the size. Okay, can you see from the biggest up to the smallest? So this one is 32 centimeter, This one is 30 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 20 centimeter. So with these, you're good to go. I would recommend, in case you're looking to buy a pot that has a big size and at the same time pocket friendly. It's actually very affordable. I won't tell you the price. Go to Amazon website and check. So that's it. I'll recommend this pot actually. So now to the grill pan. Let's unbox it also. So this is what it came like. This is what it's looking like. It's in a flat carton like this. This is what it's looking like. So let's open it together. I hope it also lives up to the hype. Packaging. Let's put this in another carton again. I guess it's because it's fragile. I don't know. So guys, this is what it's looking like. Can you see? This is the only thing I have business with. All this packaging. So that's it, guys. So this is it. Wow, it's really elegant. I love the color. See, it's gray. And of course, the grey one. Can you see? So this one is also highly recommended. I would recommend it if you're looking to buy. It's really affordable. It's on Amazon. And it's the make is Karaca something. Yeah, Karaca grill pan. Just type in Karaca grill pan. Okay, so like the pots, see the bottom. The bottom is also induction friendly and it's non-stick as well, easy to wash. The handle is really nice and I'm guessing it's dishwasher friendly. Yes, I'm guessing. I don't know. Yeah, it should be dishwasher friendly. Then also it's easy to clean, just like the pot as well. Easy to clean, and the body is thick. This is about 4 mm. It has 4 mm thick body. So this is what I think about this pan. This is my review. Okay, and it's 28 centimeter and 26 centimeters wrist. This one is 28 centimeters. It's bigger than this one. So this one is 28. This one is 26 centimeters. So what else? That's all, guys. That's pretty much it. Of course, it's elegant. That's why I love it, and it's going to serve the purpose I want it to serve. It's elegant. It's dishwasher friendly. It's large, 28 centimeters. And what else? Induction. Yeah, of course, the bottom. Yeah, then what else? Thick body, heat resistance, the color, of course, it's elegant, and then the thick induction friendly, easy to wash, of course. So that's it, guys. That's what I think about this product. If you're looking to buy a pot or a frying pan or a grill pan, so I would recommend this product. Okay, so that's it, guys. And also how to maintain this one: don't use iron sponge. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until I see you again in my next video. Until then, please take care and stay safe. Bye.